Do you ever have trouble finding where in the user menu a functionality is located? Easily find any oscilloscope's capability with the MXO series oscilloscopes search functionality. Located at the top of the menu, the search box gives quick access to any parameter or measurement. Let's take a look. If I wanted to enable roll mode on my oscilloscope, but couldn't remember where in the menu it was located, simply type roll mode into the search box for easy access. A list of all the found results show up in the left side of the menu. Simply tap the desired result to open the parameter. Check out Rohde Schwarz MXO oscilloscopes in your lab. See the difference.